guys? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm just sharing my screen with all of you. Okay. Once it is shared, just let me know, guys. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Guys, speak up. Otherwise, how we will get to know you are here?
Guys, is my screen visible to you all?
Shankar, Asif, Kana, Sriram,
Yes,
can you
yes,
hear?
Anthan.
Is my screen visible to you all, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
visible.
Hello. Hello, guys. Can I have the verbal responses from all of you?
Yes, sir.
So am I audible to all of you guys?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So in yesterday's session, we have learned a lot about Power BI. Okay. So accordingly, in today's session as well, I'm just going to cover, I will explain you like how to create a dashboard. Okay. And you can say in today's session, you are got to know about like how you can be able to create a dashboard in just 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. All right. So what I will do is just similarly as we do in yesterday's session. So I will go to the get data, right? And by clicking on get data, I just click on the extension. As my file is in text CSV format, so I will select text CSV and I will import these one by one. Okay. So I will start importing. So yeah. So now you can see that it is showing like that key either we need to load this or either we need to transform data, right? So it is like you can say before importing it is redirected us into the Power Query editor, right? So with the help of that we can be able to like if we want to change anything in this data, right? So we just need to click on transform data, right? And we can do that. Otherwise simply as I know like my data is neat and clean, so I just click on load button, right? It will automatically load within just few seconds. Okay. And also it will appear to you all in the right section, that is you can say data, right? So it is it's get open. Understood, guys? Now again I need to import another file, that is an order file. Okay. So it is similarly, it is also like getting me in a I need to load it directly or either I need to transform, right? So simply I will click on load button. Okay. And it gets loaded, right? And simply you can say in the right hand side all these things have been both the data sets, or you can say both the tables have been imported successfully. Is that clear to all of you guys? Hello. Is that clear to all of you guys? Hello. Hello. Nitiji, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. So guys, we are just like go to now we will start building our dashboard, right? So similarly, like first of all, what we will do is we are just building a dashboard as this is the online sales dashboard, right? Like owner of this superstore just wanted to keep a track of online sales that he had been done across in all over India, right? So whatever we will do is first of all we click on this, add a text, right? Text box, right? So this is just a text box. I will uh, make it okay, and similarly I will type it out there. You can say it. Just a minute. Yeah, so now we have just started this, okay? So we are just giving this a name. We have just added a header file, online sales dashboard, okay? So this is a header file, right? As the font size is just you can say small. So what we will do is we will just come up with the formatting part of this, okay? We just increase the font size to 28, and we'll just come like change the font. It is Arial. Keep this in a boldish format. Again, we need to choose it. That is 20. Not 20. We will choose it up to 28. Okay. So such like that, online sales dashboard. Okay. So this is an online sales dashboard. Okay. Now it is in a like left alignment. So we need to complete this alignment. So we need this to be in a middle, right? So you can see we have just completed this. We have given a header file, right? Now we need to work on this. Work on the formatting part of this dashboard, right? So how the formatting will be done? We will just go to the format. Okay. So what we will do is in the formatting part, as we selected this, go to the effect part. As the background is completely like this, so we will change this background to the pink, right? Sorry, we'll change this to the pink, okay? And we need the color of this font to be in a white, okay? So that white color looks attractive. So you can see that color should be in a white format. Is it looking attractive, guys? Hello, is it looking attractive?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will go to the next part of and the next part is like we just add 4 cards, right? Cards over here, we are getting a card option, like in this we have a card, right? Over here you can see this is a card. We go to the visualization, right? We start adding cards, right? So here we have added a card, right? And we just add 4 cards over there, right? So what we will do is as I added a card, so I will just click on this now. And I will edit this here, and just I need a summation of amount, right? So sum of amount I will import in this card. Okay, so you can say you are getting a summation part. Okay, now again we will go to the formatting part of this general. Now go to the effect part. Color should be in a should be pink, right? And the font, or you can say like just go to, yeah, header icon. No, we just go to the visual part, category label, and category label color should be white. Okay, so you will be getting color should be in a white, and it should be in a bold format. Okay, now we go to the call out value, that is you can say 438K. So we will click on this color should be in a white, so it is look like that, right? So this is you simply you can say that we have added a card that is visual that is a card, and it is giving us a summation of amount. Okay, like here you can see that. Okay, and now again we will just add another card. Okay, uh we'll just copy this, copy visual. Okay, and we'll just control V, copy paste, right? So we have added this up here. Again, select on the select the card. Now remove the amount. Now we need the sum of profit. Okay, so we just added there sum of the profit. Here we are getting the sum of profit. Again, we will control C, control V again. Okay, so here we will import sum of quantity. Okay, so we have just to remove and we just edit sum of quantity. So we'll be getting sum of amount, sum of profit, and sum of quantity over here. Am I are you getting my point, guys? Hello, guys, are you getting my point? Guys, can I have the response from all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is you can say like we have added three cards over here, that one card is giving us the sum of amount, summation of amount, right? The amount that has been paid by all the customers. And second card we is giving us a sum of profit, like how much profit we have got. Okay, how much total profit we have got. And here in the third one card we are getting sum of quantity, right? Like what how much quantity we do have we have done a sale. Okay, now we will start adding another visuals. Okay, so what we will do is we will just add a donut chart over there, right? So how do you like these are the you can say visuals. Okay, so what we will do is key you can select any of the card, that is I will select donut chart. Okay, I will increase the size. Okay, increase the size of this donut chart, or what I will do is I need to build a relationship between quantity and category. Okay, so this is you can say quantity, I just import it over there, and that is a category. Okay, so here it is a category. So you can say that I just imported this. Okay, now again I will like go to this and work on this formatting part of the slicer. So first of all, I will go to the legend part and the title, that is category. Okay, so no, not on the legend part, detail labels. So I will click on the values part. Okay, and in the values, that is color should be in a proper black, or you can say color should be in a first of all we need to do is we just need to go to the format your visual part, and first of all we need go to the general, remove this, uh, remove, yeah. So we will go to the format your visual part, to the general, and to the effect. Okay, so in effect we will just add the background first, that is a pink. Background should be in a pink color only. Okay, so it is looking like a in a pink color. Now what we will do is we will change the color of this or orange, right? So I will click on this again and I will go to this and to the general part, right? And in the general what I will do is go to the effect. Okay, as the background color should be in this format, right? So first of all I will click on the header icon, right? So yeah, you can say icon should be in a black, right? So I will click this in a white, no, icon should be in a black, in it will looks like that, yeah. So now again we will go to this. So first of all we will go to the detail labels. Okay, and the values part again, and in the values part the color of value should be proper black, or you can say color, we can do one thing, color should be in a white format and in a you can say boldish. Okay, and increase the size to 10. Okay, so we are getting our proper values. All right, is it clear to all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Is it
It's not
is it clear
clear.
to all of you? All right then, so now we will change the color, right? Like change the color of this. Okay, so just a minute. we'll go to the slicer. So from there, furniture, right? Furniture label, we will change the color to white. Okay, so this is looking like that. Up now, we'll go to the like format your visual part again. Okay, and we'll go to this title. Title is sum of quantity. So first of all, changes the text color to white and keep this in a boldish format. Font size is fine, so no issues in that. Okay, yeah. So you can see that. Up now, if like sum of quantity byte category is getting, we are getting in a left side, so we will change the alignment to middle. So we are getting it in the middle. Okay, is it clear to all of you? And we will set up this here in the upper side. Okay, in the upper side we have fitted that. Now again we will add a you can say stacked bar chart. Okay, like stacked bar chart, we are importing a stacked bar chart. So how we are getting, these are the stacked bar chart. This is a stacked bar chart. Okay, so again we will go to this part. Okay, and we'll just increase the size to this. Okay, and now we got to know stacked bar chart, we are building a relationship between amount and state, right? So this is amount and state. You can say state over here, right? It's like we are getting paid from this state. Okay, like that. We are getting paid from this state like that. Okay, so what we will do is, like, if we increase this, so we will be getting like state Goa, Tamil Nadu, Sikkim, and if we decrease, so we are getting data up to Karnataka only. Okay, so how we will change that? So we will go to this. Okay, and we'll just like here we will change the basic filtering to top n, right? Top n, n here is the top 5 state. We need to get the data of top 5 states. Okay, so what we will do is just top n and top sorry, top 8 states. We need the data of top 8 states. Just wait a minute, guys. Yeah, so by the you can say filtering by changing this, this is a basic filtering we are getting over here. Like, we are getting a data of all the states, right? Now again we click on this and we need top n, right? And here we can say top 5. Okay, and like, yeah, so for sum of amount, yeah, so we just add the fields here. Okay, like state field should be added here and apply filter. So we are getting the data of first 5 states, 1 2 3 4 5, top 5 states. Okay, those have performed very well. Now we are just go to again formatting visual part. Okay, so go to the general option. First of all, we will like after getting to the general option, we will go to the effect part. Colors, background color should be in a pink format. Okay, and again go to the title. Title color should be in a white. Okay, click this to the bold and decrease the font size. Okay, yeah, it is looking who is stop sharing my screen? Okay, yeah, so here I am getting this again. What I will do is I will change the format, this one formatting part. Okay, so like I will go to the general option. Effect, close this. So I will go to the header icons. Okay, so we don't need to change the header icons, we just go to visual. Okay, so first of all we will change the values into the y-axis. So values should be in a white color, right? So we are getting a white. We just click on a boldish format. Okay, yeah, so we are getting now title should be in a white color only, that is written as state. Okay, so we need this to be in a white color. Okay, and also it is in a boldish format. Okay, to close this, now go to the x-axis. Okay, and after getting to the x-axis, we go to the values part, and after going to the values part, we just change the color to be to white, increase the font size to 10 similarly. Okay, and again go to the title part. After clicking on the title part, we just click the color should be in a white of the title and change this to bold. Okay, so here you can see that we have changed or like we have built up a dashboard. All right, so if I click on Uttar Pradesh, so data is changing gradually, right? Like this is how data is changing. If I click on Rajasthan and if I click on this sum of quantity, so data is changing like that. Okay, is that clear to all of you? Guys, please respond. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
All right. So what we will do is we will just edit this section A here, and we will just increase the size of this visual like that. Okay. And yeah. So now what we will do is we will just add a you can say slicer. Okay. So slicer we are getting, where is a slicer? So we are have a slicer there. Okay. So we have just added the slicer, and by the slicer we just you build the relationship between quarter and state. Okay, so quarter we will be getting from order date. Okay, so we just need to open the hierarchy of order date hierarchy. Okay, and from quarter. All right, so these are the quarter. There are 4 quarters and state. Okay, click on the state button. This is how we can build a relationship between both of these. Okay, now we'll go to this part, like we need like data should be in, like this, but we need this to be in a tiled format. Okay, so I'll just go to slicer setting. I don't need to be in a vertical. I need this in a tight like drop down. Okay, is that clear to all of you guys? Hello guys, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Listening.
All right, so yeah, so we have clicked this in a drop down order date and order date like quarter and state. Okay, so what I will do is change again state such like that. So if I select Andhra Pradesh, so I am getting the data of Andhra Pradesh only. Okay, so such like that. I will check this out from here. So state and quarter such like that. If I'll click on Andhra Pradesh, so I'm getting the data such like that. Okay, now what I will do is just I will fit this visual over here in the part. Okay, now go to the format your visual part, slicer setting, slicer header. Slicer header should be in a like first of all we will change the color of this. That is, go to the effect, color should be in a pinkish. Okay, yeah. Title is completely off. So what I will do is I will go to the text file. I will change the font color to white. Okay, should be in a boldish format. Increase the font size to 13. Okay, so just like that. All right, now what I will do is I will go to the pending icon, right? So pending icon is like just wait a minute. Values part, so font color of the value should be white. Okay, it should be in a boldish form only, and you can say increase the size to 15. That is fine. All right, so this is how we can say we have completed our dashboard. All right, so if I select state, like sorry, we have changed the color to white, and white color is not that much of fine. So again I will go to the visual values part, and color should be in a black only. Okay, yeah, fine, no issues in that. So if I'll select Andhra Pradesh, right, so I will be getting data of Andhra Pradesh only, such like that. Sum of quantity by category, sum of profit, sum of amount, like a total 13,000, sale of 13,000 has been done in the state of Andhra Pradesh. All right, is that clear to all of you guys? Hello. Guys, can you please respond? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is how, guys, we have completed our dashboard, right? You can say this is an online sales dashboard that is giving us a data. Okay. How? Just we can work on this. Like if I'll select Bihar, okay, and some of the quantity, like we will select furniture brand, right? So for the furniture in Bihar, we just got a sale of 2,623. We have got a profit of 492, and total quantity that has been sold is 19. Okay. Understood? Is it understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Continues.
All right. So great. So thank you so much, guys, for the session. So Niteshji, are you there in the session? Nitesh sir? Hello, Nitesh sir, are you there in the session?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. So sir, we have just completed the uh, session. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'm just closing it and I will share the recording with Pawan, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anshul, sir. Have a
Thank you
good
so
day.
much.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.